Giant Turkey Meatballs. Like, what else could they be? Not only are the meatballs going to be wonderful, but there's something very special. We're going to we have something inside these meatballs as well.
We do, yes.
So why don't you get started? Tell us how we're going to make the filling.
Yeah, so the filling here is, I've got some onion in here.
Some onion going already.
Yeah, sliced that just in a little bit of olive oil here. And I'm going to add some garlic to it as well. Of course, this is
gotta have it.
Italian style we're talking here, yeah. And yeah, I'm going to let it saute a little bit here.
Okay.
And then I'm going to add some spinach as well.
All right. How about we do that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take this.
Okay, there you go. Yeah. And so we just want to cook it down enough just so that the spinach gets wilted.
And it never takes very long, right? Just maybe
that's
a
right.
minute.
And then we're just going to shut it off. So, once that's done, then we'll add our sun-dried tomatoes and our cheeses. So in the meantime, I'm going to make the meatballs.
Granny's ground turkey.
It is, yes.
Okay.
So I have 2 packages, 2 pounds turkey here, and I'm going to add a cup of breadcrumbs to it.
So how many meatballs does that make?
Makes
like
8,
3?
8 giant meatballs. Okay. It's still pretty big.
Okay.
Yeah. And I've got an egg here that's beaten.
Vita eggs, of course.
Yeah. And I've got about a teaspoon of salt here.
Right.
And I'm also going to add a tablespoon of oregano here and some black pepper to this.
So I mean, like,
we could add a little bit here too.
Sure. Even just like the meatballs on their own would be wonderful, right? Just all by themselves. But value added.
More garlic in the meatballs.
More garlic.
Yeah. So just give those a mix here. Just mix everything nice and even here.
Yep.
And so once I'm done mixing here, I'm going to split it into half, just so I get an idea of how much meat to use for each meatball.
Right. Make sure they're even.
Yeah, so you can turn that off now. That's done. And so then this should make 4 meatballs. So if I split it in half again, then I can make 2 meatballs here out of this. And you just want to flatten them. Nice and
so
flat
that's
here.
and I can see where we're going with this. Because you don't want to, all right.
Yeah. So that's it there.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, if you could just add the tomatoes here.
Okay, sun-dried tomatoes.
That's it. Yeah. And then the 2 cheeses there.
Sure. What kind of cheese is this?
That's the smoked Gouda.
Yeah. Okay,
and then we'll just drop the parm in there as well.
Now just give it just stir it up.
Yeah. Give it a stir there. Yeah.
Oh, folks. Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
Ah, so good.
Okay, so I'll just take some of this filling here now. Show you how this works here. And this will be enough for 8. So it looks like a lot of filling here.
It does.
But, show you how this works here. So I'll put a little bit into each here. And all you need to do here now is just start to wrap it around and then flip it over and then just close it up like that.
Oh, wow. I don't know why I'm very enamored by this whole.
Yeah.
No, it's just got so much. I just want to try one like right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So so basically that's it. So
that's the meatball.
We're just going to stop here for now.
Okay.
And I'll just pass that over to you there. Yeah. And then.
So we've got like some finished ones.
Yeah, we have some finished ones here that we're going to take out of the oven.
Okay. And of course, what's the website again? I'm going to check out all of these amazing Granny's products, including Granny's ground turkey.
Yeah, it's greattastesmb.ca.
Okay.
Yeah. So cook these for about 45 minutes here.
There they are.
And, as you can see, they're nicely cooked there.
Beautiful.
And what I like to do here at the end here is just a really nice, good quality Italian tomato sauce, is to just finish each one with a little dollop of sauce.
Wonderful.
Yeah. And then after that, we're going to do some fresh grated parm and a little bit of parsley here.
Oh, man. So wonderful. So you've got that peak of the market onion. We've got the Granny's turkey. And these giant, they are, but they're not like,
No,
whoa,
2 per person,
They're significant.
Yeah.
Those look incredible. Awesome. If you want to, try these out, of course, the recipe is always on greattastesmb.ca. So Giant Turkey Meatballs. When we come back, recipe number 3, which is the roasted sea salt and cracked black pepper turkey with a wonderful glaze that a chef is going to show you how to put together when we come back here on Great Tastes of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba. Brought to you in part by greattastesmb.ca. Local farms, local foods.